Hey friends, Brandy Millsap here with Brandy Millsap Wellness, and today we are going to talk about Bug Bite Relief Roller Blend, how we can make it and how it's going to help us during the summer when the bugs are out, mosquitoes are out. I don't know about you, but when I get those mosquito bites, man, I just itch them and itch them and itch them, itch them. Wouldn't it be awesome to have something at your fingertips that you can just roll right on that will take that sting out, take the itch out, and you'll find instant relief? Or how about with the little kids too, that they're just like itch, 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 and you just see them itch it so much that it starts to bleed. Having something at your fingertips, again, that you can just apply to it to take that sting out, help it heal, is just something amazing to have on hand. So it's super simple how we're gonna make this. We're gonna use 2 essential oils. We're going to use lavender. So lavender is like the Swiss Army of all the essential oils, and it's super great for skin irritations, for skin sensitivities. So we're going to use lavender, and then we're also going to use peppermint, which is very cooling. So these two together are just a powerful bug bite relief combo. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a 10 ml roller bottle, and we're just going to pop the top off, and we're going to do about 10 drops of each into the roller bottle. So 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of peppermint, and then we're going to just top it off with some fractionated coconut oil. So we're just going to pump that in there and shake it up, and voila, you've got some bug bite relief. Now there's another blend that you can use for this that is equally as good. So it's called the Purify blend. So this is doTERRA's proprietary blend of the cleansing blend, and what's in it is lemon, which is an antiseptic, lime, which is antibacterial and antiviral, Siberian fir, white fir. Both of these are very purifying essential oils. It also has citronella in it, which is great for inflammation, so it's an anti-inflammatory. And then it has melaleuca in it, and melaleuca, as you probably know, is very high in antibacterial, antifungal, anti-infections, and it's also an immune stimulant. So this is a really great choice to use as well for your bug bite relief. So with this one, and we're not going to make it, I'm just going to show you, we would use about 20 drops of this inside the 10 ml, fill it full of fractionated coconut oil, and you've got another bug bite relief. So I hope you've enjoyed this little series on how we can get through summer easy, naturally with essential oils. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, and I'll post the recipes in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.